Hello, welcome to this gentle yoga routine. In this practice, we'll be doing a series of seated poses to help you wind down after a busy day. So please choose a comfortable cross-legged position for yourself. Can be Sukhasana or just half lotus or your simple cross leg. And let's take a few moments here to tune in with our breath. Hands on the lap, eyes closed. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and a slow and deep breath out through the nose or mouth. With each inhale, lengthen the spine. And with each exhale, try your best to release tension wherever you feel or notice it. Lower your chin to your chest and gently roll your chin to the right shoulder. And the last. Your head is heavy and you draw half circles along the chest as the chin rolls right to left. Inhale to left, exhale to right. Last exhale, come back to center. Open your eyes if they're closed. And then lift your shoulders to your ears with the inhale. Push them back and then exhale, bringing them down. So inhale, shoulders up to the ears. And exhale, roll them back and down. Let's continue. One more. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, back and down. Now, placing your hands behind you, place also your feet a little wider than your hip width, and then knock your knees side to side. So as you do this, you can turn the torso in opposite direction to the legs. Bringing the knees left, right. Lift the knees back up to center and then bring the soles of your feet together and create a diamond shape. Baddha Konasana. So the more the feet are close to the body, the more intense. So choose the distance. And let's move the knees up and down, releasing our hips, generating some heat. Keep this going for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, with the knees dropping to the side, you're going to round the back and allow the head to drop. There's no push or force here. Just rest and let the body go wherever it goes. Lift yourself back up. Straighten your right leg out to the side. Bring your left foot in towards your perineum. Extend your right hand along the right leg on the inside. Turn the chest to the ceiling. And then extend your left arm along your ear. So you may want to bend the bottom arm and rest your elbow on your leg. Whatever feels more comfortable, please adjust. Both sit bones are grounded. Use the exhale to release. One more breath. Exhale out. And then inhale and come back up. Let's change sides. So right leg in, left leg out. Left leg is active. Sit bones are down. Left hand along the left leg. Inhale here. Exhale, twist and turn the chest up. Extend your right arm along the face. Choose whether you want to bend the bottom elbow. Deepen your breath. One more breath. Exhale out. And then sit back up. And then let's lie down on our backs. As you lie down, make sure you're in one line with the body, upper body and legs. And then extend your arms behind your head and hook your thumbs together, shoulders away from the ears. Now move your arms and legs to the left side in a banana shape. And you can place your left foot on top of the left and extending the whole right side. You breathe deeply here. Release the cross of the ankles and then walk hands and feet to the right side. And let's see if we can cross the left foot on top of the right. With your next exhale, you go back to center and then bend the knees to the chest and hug them with both hands, rolling sideways. Massage your lower back on the floor. Keep your knees bent, but lower the feet down to the mat. Open them to the width of the mat as well. Make sure you're aligned in the center of the mat, and then open your arms out to the side in a T shape. Palms of the hands is down, and then drop both knees to your left side and turn the head to the right. Lift your knees back up and let them fall to the other side, turning the face in the opposite direction. With each exhale, allow the body to release further. Bring awareness onto the points of the body that tend to tense inadvertently. Let's come back. Knees up to center. Adjusting the arms along the body, palms facing up this time. Maybe you want to stay here with the knees towards resting on one another, sorry. Or maybe you want to lengthen the legs and go to Shavasana. Now you may take one more deep inhale through the nose. And then a long exhale through the nose or mouth. Start moving your fingers and toes. Hug your knees into your chest again. Roll onto your side. Pressing the floor, join me back in the seated position. Place your legs comfortably. Keep your eyes closed, hands resting on the knees. Sit up tall. And let's taking this few last moments to enjoy how the body is feeling. To appreciate the effect of the practice and maybe thanking yourself for showing up today. We finish with a deep breath in through the nose and an audible breath out. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you feel relaxed and that your energy is restored. Please take care, and I'll see you next time.